Looking to up your essential oil game? Look no further than our essential oil blend recipe cards. These DIY recipe cards, with step-by-step instructions to making effective therapeutic essential oils at home for the Aries personality. In this pack, you'll find a comprehensive list of essential oil cards, as well as easy-to-follow instructions. Not only that, but we've included a video showing you how to make your perfect oils. Whether you're looking for a relaxing, stress-free experience or want to boost your energy levels, meditate or a romantic night out, our recipe cards can teach you to make the perfect oil. So grab a pack today and start making your own oils at the comfort of your home. Click on the plus sign to know more about our recipe cards.